ketchup pancake.
Is it yummy?
Hindi ko siya gets.
Kung naman kumain dito. Heinz Ketchup, the all-rounder condiment in all things savory. Hot dogs, cheese, potatoes, pati nga kanin eh, di ba Georgia?
Actually, pero masarap kaya siya kung ihahalo natin siya sa almusal, tanghalian, hapunan, or even dessert? Is it yummy?
Let's find out.
Today, may nagbabalik sa Is It Yummy kitchen or table, and that is Heinz Tomato Ketchup. So, we had this during our first episode, pero unlike our first episode kung saan nagsawsaw tayo ng dishes, di ba? This time, we are incorporating it into our recipes. Kasama na siya sa pagluluto.
Sana yummy. Let's go! Heinz Ketchup is known for being incredibly tangy and tasty. It's probably because of its 57 blend, kaya naman sobrang bagay niya sa savory food.
So this episode, meron tayong theme nga, di ba? Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. Ako, nag-experiment na ako. Pero hindi ko lang alam kung anong lasa. So dinagdag ko yung Heinz sa pancake batter.
I can't taste the ketchup.
Parang ano yata, masyado akong
Mabait.
mabait. So lagyan lang natin ng ketchup.
It's very, very slight hint lang siya ng
May konting tanginess, no? This works for me. Okay, it's pancake, pero it's a little more savory.
I love sweet pancakes, Georgia.
And your point?
Kung naman kumain dito.
Siyempre, ang dami mo naman kasi nila. So, Christine, is it yummy?
No, it's not yummy, Georgia.
For me, it's yummy. So, no, if you like a savory twist to your pancakes, no? So, a little bit of sweet, a little bit of tang, try this. Kanina nag-almusal tayo. Ngayon, it's lunchtime with gazpacho.
On behalf of everyone na hindi alam, what is gazpacho, Georgia?
Alright, so gazpacho is a tomato-based soup that's usually served cold. So ano siya, parang it's made with real, tomatoes, tomato puree. It's served cold kasi pang summer siya. So instead of using tomatoes, we used Heinz Tomato Ketchup.
I love tomato soup with grilled cheese. Right now, I really want a grilled cheese sandwich, and I would love it with this one.
Like, I cannot tell that this was made with ketchup. Hindi mo maiisip na, ay, may ketchup tong sabaw na to.
So, Georgia, is it yummy?
It is yummy. It's very refreshing and easy to make too.
It is yummy. It's probably because Heinz Tomato Ketchup is made of 100% fresh tomatoes. Kaya parang fresh tomatoes din yung ginamit dito sa soup.
Alright, so dinner naman na tayo ngayon. And we have chicken parmigiana. Chicken parmigiana is usually, it's breaded chicken and then tomato sauce and then, well, tomato-based sauce and then cheese on top, diba? And then you bake it. You get like the caramelized flavor aside from the tang of the tomato and of course yung creaminess and the saltiness of the cheese. So parang very well-rounded.
Yeah, I really love yung super daming crunch plus the sauce.
So ano, Christine, pasado ba? Is it yummy?
It's yummy again.
Hard ako yan. I mean,
So,
obviously,
is it yummy?
of course. As,
Okay.
you know,
Love your
evidenced by my chewing.
So, tapos na tayo sa breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now it's time for
Dessert.
merienda or dessert.
Yeah.
Secret.
Secret pa rin. Naamoy ko yung ketchup and something sweet.
It tastes like My childhood.
Ano yung childhood mo at bakit may ganito kang drink sa childhood mo?
Dati kasi, uso yung duty free, diba? And then, meron dong vegetable juice. And then, halo-halo doon yung tomato, yung celery. Let's cheers.
Hindi ko siya gets. Nalasahan ko yung Yakult, nalasahan ko yung ketchup. Pero in my brain, hindi siya naggaganon. Parang, ano tong nilalagay ko sa bib? Ano tong iniinom ko? So, Christine, is it yummy?
It is yummy. Kasi very nostalgic siya for me.
For me, it's a little... It's not yummy, but it's not yummy. It's okay.
Okay.
So, Christine, what did you think about the return of Heinz Ketchup to Is It Yummy?
Well, I think it was a good call, Georgia, because from 75%, I think it's now at 95%.
Yung 5% for me really was the slushy. Ikaw?
Well, ako yung pancake, as you guys know. So please do try the crazy Heinz Ketchup food combinations that we did and let us know in the comments if it's yummy or not.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, yummies!
Bye!